Okay, well, let's start at the front door. One of my favorite parts about this apartment was the black door and the teal accent wall. I thought that was really cool. It's a little bit weird having the fridge being right here next to the front door. Sometimes they crash into each other, like if someone walks in and the fridge is open, it causes a scene, but it's usually just me here, so it doesn't really matter. I have my skateboard mounted by the door for easy access, and then there is this like strip of, I believe it's called slat wall. So you can customize, this is all over the apartment, you can customize, sorry, I'm kind of sick right now. It's gonna be hard for me to talk. You can customize the hooks, the baskets, the shelves. This is in both of the closets as well. It's really cool, really nice. I just keep my tote bags here and then whatever bag I'm using the Supreme one right now. And then I just have like some of my school stuff in this basket. Over here, I have my wagon. If you live in an apartment, if you don't have a wagon, you should get one. It's a lifesaver. And then right here, I have my Yeti cooler. Let's head back over here though. I just have this little shelf here that's full of just little things that I love, things from life. I'm a big Disney fan. I'm a big Tim Burton fan. Big art fan. I keep my cameras here. Before I leave the house, I decide what camera I want to use. My little key bowl. Just random stuff, little books, plants, dogs, decorating. This is my fridge, just has some family photos, some photos that I took with film and developed. I'll show you the inside of my fridge. It's mostly beverages, as you can imagine. Beverages and vegan food. This cabinet, this long cabinet right here is my pantry. It's where all my food goes. And then you see pretty much the entire apartment here. My dining room, my living room, my kitchen. It's all in one shot. I really like the layout of this apartment. The master bed and bath is on the left, and then there's another bed and bath on the right. Over here on the right is my pride and joy, my coffee station, and my chalk wall. My new espresso machine I got for Christmas. Hi baby, I love you. My toaster. Got a little art piece right here, my bowl of lemons, my water. So with this chalk wall, I have everyone that comes over to visit me, I have them sign it before they leave. So it's kind of like my own personal yearbook. Moving this way, I have a decorative skateboard. I saw this and I was like, wow, this is the most beautiful skateboard ever. My trash can is in this drawer right here. Very handy. I have this full-length mirror here for anyone that wants to check their outfits, or isn't this lamp sick? IKEA, 50 bucks. My dining table and chairs are from Cost Plus. I have a thing for Trader Joe's candles. Let's come back over here to the stove. My always pan, of course, in sage. Obsessed with that thing. Holy cannoli, it's the best thing ever. This is my fellow kettle. So cute, so nicely designed. Also love the black fixtures. My Google Home, my sunset lamp. Moving on over here, I have one of my favorite areas because it makes me feel like such an adult. My bar cart. I love it when people come over and I'm like, would you like a drink? Take your pick. Here's the view of the kitchen and the dining room from over here. Okay, now onto the living room. My couch, I don't even know. It's from some random store in my hometown. I couldn't tell you, but it's the most comfortable thing ever. The chase is the size of a twin bed, so that's just like a bed in itself, which is really nice. The shelves are from IKEA. I just loaded them with some decorations from Marshalls, TJ Maxx. I've got my plaque up there. This is where I game it most of the time. Got my PS5 and my Switch out here. My record player, my games. I was spinning Fantastic 50s earlier. Always slaps. My plants that I can't seem to keep alive. Trying my best. This one though, thriving. I love this blankie ladder. It's such a cute way to display like extra blankets. IKEA rug, Amazon Entertainment Center. My coffee table is from Marshalls, I believe. And then that door over there just leads out to the balcony. I just have a cute little couch out there. Nothing special. Another thing I really love about this apartment are the sliding glass doors. I find them to be very modern and different than any other apartment I looked at, and that was one of the selling points for me for sure. So the bedroom directly off the living space is my bedroom. It's a rather small bedroom, but it's perfect for what I need. The theme in here is green and rose gold. My mom and I wallpapered this wall with, it's kind of like a metallic-y rose gold wallpaper. Just have a couple of fake plants in here because there isn't much light. In this corner, this is where I edit most of my videos if I'm not on my laptop. I love this chair so much. It's from Cost Plus as well. It's green. This desk is IKEA. It's the mom dressing table. I like it because it's very small. I needed something tiny for this bedroom. My little Woozoo. I love this thing. Watch. Really circulates. I'm the kind of person that needs a fan to sleep, so. Okay, and through another glass door, we have my closet. This apartment is so unique because it has these very long shower, bathroom, closet combinations. One of the big walls is a slat wall, so you can organize it however you want with the shelves and the hangers. So what I mean by slat wall is everything is attached like this, so you can slide it, remove it, move it. So cool. Over here, I just have a full-length mirror for when I'm getting dressed. Moving around this way, it's my shower. And then this way, we have the sink, the toilet. It's not very exciting, but I have all kinds of storage space up here. My hamper. Heading back out. Down to this hallway right by the front door. The AC just turned on. Hope it's not too loud. In these doors are my washer and dryer. And then over here we have another glass door. This door leads to another shower closet combination, and then straight back is another bedroom. So this closet, it looks like a lot. I never really knew what to do with it, so it's kind of just my random storage area. I tried to make it look cute, but it's kind of hard. You can't just like hide the mess in a closet like you would normally do. I just have my giraffe basket with my plushies. I have some random Disney prints back there, some extra blankets, towels, pillows, all of my backpack and art stuff from school, board games. I have a new fan for my PC. And when I say it's random, it's very random. Like I said, I was an art student, so I have my old projects, graphic design specifically, painting stuff, drawing stuff, other prints, travel things. In these Alex drawers, I have all of my makeup. There's another walk-in shower right here. And then we have the guest bathroom, which is a yellow and gray theme. It's the same exact layout as the other one. Another Trader Joe's candle. And then this is my guest bedroom slash streaming room. Oh, there's a big mirror right here for guests to get ready. I have my Craftsman, I think it's called a Craftsman desk from IKEA. In case this is your first time watching me, I stream and I do YouTube for a living, so this is where I spend a lot of my time. We have an extra bed for guests. Here is the streaming background that you guys are used to. I have a lac shelf from IKEA with a bunch of cute stuff. This is where I keep a lot of my other cameras that I don't use on the daily for vlogging. My film camera, my Instax. I have all my lenses down there in that basket. My curtain lights are from Amazon, and then my 2 floodlights are also from Amazon. Let's go over to my desk here. So, it's definitely not where I want it, but I'm pretty happy with it. I'm hoping in my next place I can really like elevate it with more lights. I want to hang my YouTube plaque above the desk, my partner email, all that like accomplishment kind of stuff. I think that would be fun. My lights are key lights from Elgato. My mic is a Shure SM7B. My monitors are Samsung curved monitors. I have a Stream Deck. For streaming and videos, I use a Sony A7 III with a 24mm G Master lens. My audio interface is a Go XLR. I've got my planner, my ukulele, just some extra techie stuff over here. For my keyboard and mouse, I use a Mac keyboard and whatever this brand is mouse because they're very quiet. They don't make any noise when we're streaming or filming. And then my chair is from Office Depot. It's very hard to find a white chair, believe it or not. There is a closet behind this glass door, but there's nothing important in there that you guys need to see. So yeah, that's everything. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna miss this place so much. I feel like this apartment tour was very rushed and I didn't get everything done here that I wanted to, but I have to start packing up tomorrow. So I had to film this today. You gotta do what you gotta do, you know?